Okay, students, so we have done the three question answers of this chapter. Question number one is what do you know about Texla? Write briefly. Texla is located approximately 30 kilometers from Islamabad. Texla dates back to the 6th century BC. The city is considered to be an important economic and a cultural center of its time with a well planned architecture. The city had houses, winding streets, temples, and stupas. The city was destroyed in the 1st century AD by the Kushans of Central Asia. Question number two is write a short note on the civilization of Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is also one of the earliest civilization in this region. It is a part of Indus Valley civilization of the subcontinent. Mohenjo-daro is on the bank of the river Indus in the province of Sindh. Which province in Meherkar is located in and who discovered it? Meherkar is located in Balochistan. This was discovered accidentally when a local Sardar Ghosh Rasani noticed a mount on his land in Balochistan in 1968.